Hi, Phelan. Hey, can you say a boo? A goo? Can you? Yeah? Can you talk to us? Hi. Maybe we can rock you a little bit. What have you been doing? Oh. Oh, no. Boogity boogity boo. Yeah. Boogity boogity boo. That's nice. You say hi, grandmas. Hi, grandpas. Yeah. As you can see, Phelan's working on these thighs. He's building up that body. Yep. Putting on a lot. Can you say bye-bye? Bye-bye.